dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ghalib's English School. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe, like and share. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Life in the UK Test, Chapter 5, A Modern Thriving Society. The topics which I'm going to discuss today in question and answer form, they are sports, arts and culture, notable British artist, architecture, and finally, fashion and design. Let's jump into it. Question number 1. Which British sportswoman won 2 gold medals for running in 2004 Olympic Games? Dame Ellen MacArthur, Janie Troville, Dame Kelly Holmes, or Dame Jessica Ann Hill? So it was Dame Kelly Holmes. Who is the fastest person to have sailed around the world single-handed? Dame Ellen MacArthur, Sir Bradley Wiggins, Dame Kelly Holmes, or Sir Andy Murray? So it's Dame Ellen MacArthur was the person who sailed around the world single-handedly. Question number 3. Where is the most famous sailing event held in the UK? At River Thames in London, at Cowes on the Isle of Wight, at the Wimbledon, at St Andrews in Scotland. So the correct answer is at Cowes on the Isle of Wight. Question number 4. Which of the following national galleries is not located in London? Sometimes you are asked the question using the word not. So make sure read it carefully when you answer the question. So Tate Britain, National Gallery, Tate Modern, or National Museum. So the first 3, they are located in London. But the last one, the National Museum, that's located in Cardiff, Wales. So your answer is number 4. Question number 5. What musical award is given during the Mercury Music Prize? Best album from the UK, best album from UK and Ireland, best solo artist from the UK, or best solo artist from UK and Ireland. So your answer is best album from the UK and Ireland. Which British artist was portrait painter who often painted people in country or garden scenery? Thomas Gainsborough, David Allen, Joseph Turner, or John Constable? So the correct answer is Thomas Gainsborough. Question number 7. Which famous architect designed St. Paul's Cathedral after it was destroyed by a fire in 1666? Isaac Newton, Sir Christopher Wren, Robert Burns, Isambard Kingdom Brunel? So the correct answer is Sir Christopher Wren. He designed St. Paul's Cathedral once again after it was destroyed by London fire. Question 8. Who is the composer of March number 1, Land of Hope and Glory, which is played at the last night of the proms at the Royal Albert Hall? Sir William Walton, Frederick Handel, or Henry Purcell, Sir Edward Elgar? So question 8 answer is Sir Edward Elgar. Question 9. Who wrote marches for coronation of King George VI and Queen Elizabeth II? Sir William Walton, Benjamin Britten, Frederick Handel, Sir Edward Elgar? So the answer is Sir William Walton. Question number 10. Which of the following music venues is located in Glasgow? The O2, Wembley Stadium, the SECC, or Buckingham Palace? So your correct answer is SECC, Scottish Exhibition Conference Centre. That's your correct answer. Question number 11. Who is the author of murder mystery play The Mousetrap? Tim Rice, Andrew Lloyd Webber, Dame Agatha Christie, Gilbert and Sullivan? So your answers for this question is Dame Agatha Christie. Question number 12. When does the Edinburgh Festival Fringe take place? Every autumn, every spring, every summer, or every winter? So the correct answer is every summer. Question 13. What are pantomimes based on? They are based on fairy stories, drama stories, traditional stories, or war stories. So the pantomimes, they are based on fairy stories. Question 14. Light-hearted plays with music and comedy, which are enjoyed by family audience and based on fairy stories, are known as children's plays, pantomimes, hogmanay, parades. They are known as pantomimes. Question 15. Is this statement true or false? The Turner Prize is recognized as one of the most prestigious visual art awards. True or false? This statement is true. Question 16. What is the name of the annual event that gives awards in range of musical categories, such as Best British Group and Best British Solo Artist? The Brit Awards, the MTV Awards, the BAFTA Awards, or the Mercury Music Award or prize? Its answer is the Brit Awards. Question number 17. Is this statement true or false? George Frederick Handel is known for his operas, Peter Grimm's and Billy Budd. Is this true or false? This statement is false. Question 18. The Houses of Parliament and St Pancras stations are the famous example of classical architecture, contemporary architecture, Gothic architecture, or modern architecture. The answer is Gothic architecture. Question 19. Who designed New Delhi to be the seat of government in India? Sir Christopher Wren, Robert Adam, Sir Edwin Lutyens, Sir Norman Foster. So the correct answer is Sir Edwin Lutyens. Question 20. Where is the annual flower show held in the UK? Birmingham, Chelsea, London, Manchester. It's held in Chelsea. Question 21. Who was the famous 18th century furniture designer? Thomas Chippendale, Clarius Cliff, Sir Terence Cornwall, Vivienne Westwood. So the answer is Thomas Chippendale. Question 22. Who was the famous 18th century Art Deco ceramics designer? Thomas Chippendale, Clarius Cliff, Sir Terence Cornwall, Vivienne Westwood. So the answer is Clarius Cliff. Question number 23. Who was the 20th century interior designer? Thomas Chippendale, Clarius Cliff, Sir Terence Cornwall, Vivienne Westwood. So the answer is Sir Terence Cornwall. Question number 24. The Laurence Olivier Awards are named after the British actor who was best known for his role in various Shakespeare plays. What was his name? Sir Edwin Lutyens, Sir Norman Foster, Sir Laurence Olivier, Sir Christopher Wren. So his name was Sir Laurence Olivier. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.